everybody, Mrs. T here. I wanted just to make a quick little sample how-to video for you for one of the projects I just sent to you. This is an optional activity, meaning you do not have to make this. It's just something fun and cute that I thought you could make. It should only take you a few minutes, but it will look really awesome if you could wear it on your head at graduation for our online virtual Zoom coming up on Thursday. So I sent to you in Google Classroom and in a message to your parents as well, a graduation hat craft, okay? So you're gonna have to unfortunately print it out at home. I wasn't able to print them out for you at school, but it only is a few pages. You're gonna print out a white sheet that looks like this. This is the graduation hat. Now, what you have to do first is you're going to color this and decorate it however you'd like to. You can, if you would like, print it out on colored paper so you don't have to color it if that's easier. If you don't have color printer paper, then decorate it. That's even cooler. You can decorate it however you like to with the Minecraft or Pokemon or Rainbow or however you'd like to. Whatever it is that you like, the LOL dolls and the polka dots and the hearts and the glitter, however it is that you want to make it look, because you are the designer. You are the artiste here. So you can decorate your hat. After you decorate it, you're going to cut it out into one big shape like this, okay? It's going to be one big shape and a little oval on the top. You may need some help with the cutting from a grown-up or an older brother or sister. It shouldn't take very long if they're able to help you real quick. It'll pay off in the long run, I promise. It's going to be so cute. Okay, so after you cut and color that, you're going to see this piece of paper here with the tassel. That is the hanging ribbon that hangs off of the graduation cap. It's going to print out two, but you only need one. You do not need to put two. So it just gave you an extra one just in case. You're going to color it and then cut it out again. I did mine on colored paper just because it was a sample. I'm not the one graduating. You guys are, so you can make yours look pretty and festive too. I just did mine in our school colors, maroon and gray. So after you do that, what you're going to do to glue it on, you are going to first glue on the tassel to your hat first. Mine is already dry, so I can't show you step by step. I tried to make another video and it wasn't uploading, so this is my second time making a video, so I'm sorry that it's already dry. But all you have to do is put some glue on your hat and stick on the tassel so it hangs off of your hat, okay? Then you're going to glue the little oval button on the top so it looks like it is holding on the tassel. Then you're also going to get two pieces of paper, one that says I did it and another one that is extra. Don't print this one out yet because you might not need the extra paper. What you're going to do is you're going to cut them down the solid lines, not the dashy lines, the solid lines, and you'll get two long rectangles. Those rectangles are the headband to hold the hat onto your head. This should remind you of boot camp. We did this a lot during our ABC boot camp back in the fall. Okay, so you're going to, it's going to say I did it on your hat when you glue them together. And you're going to glue, make sure you have a grown-up or a brother or sister helping you with this part. Measure your head first and then glue it onto your hat. All of us have different size heads. I did not need the extra paper. Mine fit me just fine with just this paper. But if you need both, by all means use both if you need more room. After you glue it on, make sure it fits, and then you have your awesome graduation hat. I desperately need a haircut. Okay, so just like that, very, very easy peasy. And then when you're all done, keep it somewhere safe and special and wear it with you on graduation day on Thursday. I'm also going to give your parents a very special certificate for them to print out that they will be handing you during our online graduation. I and Mrs. Knoll will be giving you your real stuff on Friday when we get together in person. But we thought this was a cute way for you still to get something virtually online as well. If you have any questions or need any help, let me know. I'm always here to help you. Have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing your awesome graduation hats. Bye-bye.